Now that we know some basic things about adult learners, it's time to talk about what we can do to help them learn. Therefore, in this video, we are going to talk about how to use neuroscience to design online learning. So, let's dive right in. The first way to use neuroscience in e-learning is to create an optimal learning environment. Our minds are often compared to a machine. On the other hand, machines don't have to deal with anxiety, fear, or other emotional obstacles. Therefore, to absorb knowledge properly, our brains need appropriate learning conditions. Two crucial steps must occur. First, the brain must respond to input. It must also form new neurons and pathways. Emotional distractions can disrupt these processes and limit the absorption of knowledge. That's why e-learning experts need to create an optimal learning environment. This includes color palettes, music, and visual elements that have a calming effect. The level of difficulty can also influence the brain's processing power. The second way is to create joyful learning experiences to increase engagement. It should come as no surprise that people like to be rewarded. Some tasks need incentives to keep us motivated. Neuroscientists believe that dopamine levels in our brains increase when a reward is involved. This dopamine increases enthusiasm and keeps online learners engaged. It also encourages them to participate in winning the grand prize actively. An incentive can be as simple as earning a badge or advancing to the next level. For this reason, many e-learning experts are transforming their courses into gamification courses. Gamification combines standard learning materials with game characteristics such as leaderboards and scoring systems to create an engaging learning experience. And my final piece of advice is to use spaced repetition to help them retain the information. The capacity of human memory is limited. Only the information that's important to the individual is stored sufficiently. But how do you define important? Things that come up regularly usually fall into this category. Our brains recognize these ideas and concepts, and we know they're essential. Therefore, they're stored in our memory so we can use them later. One of the most efficient ways to help this process in e-learning is to use timed e-learning. Create time-limited modules and e-learning activities. The same concepts or topics should be covered differently in e-learning modules. For example, a work task can be a branching scenario, an e-learning video demonstration, or an e-learning simulation. Instead of a single online session, these e-learning activities take place over a week. In short, to create brain-friendly learning experiences. We can use these three ideas. First, create optimal learning atmospheres. Second, create enjoyable learning experiences. Lastly, 3. Using spaced repetition. Thanks for watching.